One person can run a faceless YouTube channel like this one. No face, no crew, no filming. Just AI videos going up on a schedule while they sleep. A while ago, building something like that meant a team, a budget, and months of work. Right now, it's a couple of prompts. The bottleneck of writing, voicing, sourcing footage, editing, over and over, every single upload, that's over. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm building a channel like this from zero to a fully automated faceless YouTube pipeline in minutes. The research, the script, the visuals, the voice, all of it handled by Claude. And I'll show you two ways to do it. First, with the freshly launched Higgsfield Explainer, and second with Claude Code and Higgsfield working on autopilot. So to get started, you'll need Higgsfield. The link's in the description, click that and sign up to build along with me. Let me get Higgsfield connected first. Just hit the link to Higgsfield in the description and sign up once you're in. You're looking for the MCP option. Higgsfield gives you a connection link right here. I'm going to copy that. Now over to Claude. I open up the connector settings, hit add a connector and paste that Higgsfield link straight in. Give it a name, connect, and sign in with the Higgsfield account I just created. And that's the whole setup. Claude Code handles the brains, the research, the writing, the decisions. Higgsfield's engine handles everything you can see and hear. Image, video, voice, one system end to end. Step 1. I point it at the channel I want to replicate. I type, study this channel, its best videos, its hooks, how the scripts are built, then write me an original script in that style. And I drop in the link. And it digs in, pulls the top performing videos, maps out the hooks, spots the patterns they repeat, picks a fresh topic, and writes a complete script from scratch. And that's the important part. This is a brand new script on a brand new topic. Now, here's the part that used to be a nightmare. Turning a script into a finished video normally means chopping it into dozens of separate shots, then prompting and generating and syncing every one of them to the audio by hand. It's the single most tedious day in this whole process. But I'm skipping all of it. One prompt. Turn this into a 5-minute video for a faceless channel, 1080p. And it just does it. Breaks the script into scenes, times them out, generates every shot, lays in the voiceover and the music, and holds the same visual style the whole way through. It's even fact-checking and filling gaps on its own, off one line.
You're at your kitchen table late at night, filling out a form. 18,000 people fill out the same one tonight. 11 spots. You've wanted this since you were 6, watching a satellite crawl across the sky.
That's a full video, start to finish, and Claude Code already saved the entire project. Every asset into a folder on my machine. That's ridiculous. Then we package it. I type, build the full upload package, thumbnails, title, description, tags. It gives us all of it, including thumbnail options so you can test which one wins the click. Everything's in the folder without me asking twice. One video is a demo, a channel needs volume, so let's scale. Make 2 more, pick topics that perform for the same channel. Because it researches each topic on its own, every video gets a unique script and a unique look, no template. Now, all that's left to do is to post the videos on YouTube. And here's the thing, none of this is locked to YouTube. That same engine works just as hard the second you point it at something else. Now, let's use the Higgsfield Explainer directly in the web for those who are looking for a simpler version. Higgsfield also has some presets, so you can just name them and get a video in your preferred style. Now watch, here's my entire instruction. Make me a clay motion explainer on why we dream. Style, topic, done. Hitting enter. And there it is. Narrated, animated, styled, finished. One prompt in, one ready video out. You have pixel art, whiteboard, 3D mix, isometric, more. So your channel lands on a look that's yours instead of the same recycled stock footage in everyone else's feed.
Every night, your brain switches on a private theater. The lights go down and you start to dream, whether you remember it or not. They relieved Orion, or REM. Dreams mostly happen during REM sleep, when your brain is nearly as active as when you're awake. Your eyes dart behind closed lids. One leading theory says dreams help sort your memories.
If you run a business, the same setup is a video department. A clean product explainer on what your tool does, the kind agencies bill 4 figures for, done in an afternoon. A walkthrough of your app's onboarding, a pitch video that actually holds an investor's attention and with one prompt translate, that same video is in Spanish, German, Japanese, a whole new market of one build. And it's not just business owners who win here.
Your phone is a pocket-sized powerhouse. It makes calls, sends messages, snaps photos, and connects you to the entire internet. It navigates you through cities, tracks your health, manages your money, and keeps your memories safe.
Every lesson you'd normally screen record and edit becomes a clean, narrated video from a single prompt. A whiteboard explainer for the core concept, then the same lesson in a softer style for a younger group, just by swapping the preset. Change voice keeps one narrator across your entire course. Your whole curriculum turns into a styled video library with no studio and no editing, while you outline the next module.
Every time you yawn, your brain is cooling itself down. That deep inhale sends fresh air rushing past blood vessels inside your skull. And here's the strange part. Yawning is wildly contagious, wired to empathy, a silent signal that social animals have shared for millions of years.
So whether it's a channel, a business, or even a course, it's the same handful of prompts doing all of the work. Now, there are a few things to be careful about. First, the big one. Don't publish without watching it back. You're the editor now. Check the voiceover matches the visuals and cut anything off. That review is the difference between growing and getting buried. Second, don't chase whatever's viral this week. Pick a lane and let the channel build an identity. And last, don't dump 10 videos out day one and then vanish. The algorithm rewards consistency, and this system makes steady output very easy, so use it that way. Avoid these 3 mistakes and you're ahead of most people trying this. So that's the build. A real channel rebuilt from scratch with AI. 2 different ways in one sitting: script, visuals, voice, thumbnails, scheduling off a handful of prompts. Now pick a niche, spin up a channel, and get your first AI video live this week. Everything's linked below. Xfield, the engine doing all the heavy lifting, is in my description. Click now, sign up, and build away. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.